Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. My name is Jen. If you're new, welcome to my channel. This is the look I'll be doing for you guys today. If you're interested in it, just continue watching. Hi guys, what's up? What's popping? What's going on? How's life? Before I get started, remember to hit that subscribe button. If it's red, that means you're not subscribed to my channel and you're not getting notifications from me if you don't hit the bell button. So when you hit the bell button, you'll be notified whenever I upload. And follow me on Instagram. My handle is right here, JHEN_MUA artistry. So for today, it's going to be like a chit chat get ready with, not like, but it's going to be a chit chat get ready with me. I want to talk about some of the shows I've been watching during this quarantine. Let's just jump right into that. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty Pro Filter primer. Alright, I watched Money Heist. This is on Netflix, by the way. Money Heist, and let me tell you, ooh, I love that show. I watched, it's like 4 seasons, and I watched all 4 seasons in like a week, if so long, or 2 weeks, if that long. But I really love Money Heist. I don't want to give any spoilers just in case you guys don't watch it, but it's based in Spain, so they speak Spanish, but on Netflix they have like you can hear it in English. They don't translate the Spanish verbatim to English, but it's fine. I really like that show. Tokyo and Rio is the, not like, Rio is a little, like, I want to say my little brother. You know, he's just sweet and young and but yeah. And so you guys should check out Money Heist. I don't want to give it away. It's alright, as it says, it's a heist. They're stealing stuff from a place, and like the one rule is no like relationship with amongst the team, and you know, said that rule they broke from. Yeah, so. And even it was even broken by the person who set the rule, which is the professor. But yeah, check that out, take it in. The next one I'm watching is Blind Spot. Let me tell you, this is my Makeup Designery liquid foundation. But before I go into that, I'm going to spray my face with this glow mist. It's the hydrating glow mist from Monty Cute Beauty. So I was saying the next show I'm watching is Blind Spot, and Blind Spot is it's taking me forever to watch Blind Spot because it's just so stupid. I don't like it. Everybody dies, like case wise. So it's some with the FBI, and I'm pretty sure I'm late to the party with the show because this show been out for like a long time. So they dropped this girl off in the middle of Times Square, printed, like tattooed her entire body, and now they're solving cases and stuff, right? They wiped her memory, or somebody wiped her memory, and now she's with the FBI solving cases. So each case they solve, the person dies. Let them kill the person. Like, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. I don't like that part of it. Again, in my foundation now, I don't like that everybody dies. Like, but I know, want to locking up people, like want to shoot to injure. It's like injure them, like shoot to kill. Like if your case, if they're working on a case, you gonna die. That's basically what's happening in that show. And I don't know if I like that. But I watch it because I'm so invested in the characters. So here I am struggling to watch a 15 episode per season 6-season show because I'm invested in the characters. So that's me, that's my journey. Love that for me. Not really, but I'm like that. Like when I get invested in characters in shows, like I want to see the character development. It's not that I like the show or the storyline, but if the character development is good, then okay. I think I reached episode, oh, that was my No Problem Prime Essence. I kind of want my skin to be glowy today, so that's why I'm going in with so many different stuff. But I'm on episode 2, not episode 2, season 2. I am on season 2, episode 13. I feel like I can talk about this because this one has been out for a while, so most people might be past this episode. Yes, as I was saying about blind spot. So it's some FBI terrorist action type thing, and they solve the cases. Well, they kill the persons, the criminals, right? And I mean, like, in a perfect world, criminals won't exist. In a perfect world, they could have just killed a criminal and gone with life. But I'm just saying, what it means to dead, like, why the case is just cut short? I don't know if I explain it. I don't know. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Like, make them suffer. Make the criminals them suffer. Like, make them go jail. Make them, like, don't take them out so easy with a gunshot. One gunshot. Like, what happens to shows, like shows where like you take all 10 gunshots to kill a man. That is not what's happening in Blind Spot. Like, one gunshot and then dead. I'm into my eyes before I do the rest of my face, so let's just jump right into it. I'll be using the Color Rain Queen of Hearts palette. This is what it looks like. 2 shadows should be here, but it fell and broke, and this is what we have now. So get that blending brush. I'm going to go in with the shade, this and the orange. Which other shows? I'm trying to think of which other shows I've been watching. Oh, Too Hot to Handle. Yeah. So that's like a reality type show. It's kind of like Love is Blind in the reality aspect of it. But, so, Too Hot to Handle. Damn. And even like up to now, I think they're like on YouTube because, you know, the whole COVID thing. So promotions through YouTube or like interviews and so forth. I've been watching them, and let me tell you, Too Hot to Handle, all I'm saying is Kells, mean, he wasn't in on any of the action. Like, he turned down Francesca wicked. I'm gonna rate him for that because the man is about his money. Hence the nickname accountant. But yeah, like, the man shut her down wicked. I never liked Francesca at first. I really didn't. And what other girl that was influencing her, the blonde, what's her name? I don't remember her name. But I low-key feel like that girl was obsessed with. Too Hot to Handle is funny. It's one of those shows you can watch in like one night. Because or one day. Because it have the different episodes, and I think it's like 8 episodes. So quick thing, easy thing. That I think Kel's, the accent, the him stand up, him stand for, like, my rating. I gave him with Duchess, which is the dark brown. Too Hot to Handle. Could I forget Too Hot to Handle? And I think everybody on this planet has already seen Love is Blind. But I think I watched that while I was in quarantine. So I'm not sure. I don't remember because I've been in quarantine for so long. But when I say quarantine, I mean I've been home. But yeah. So Too Hot to Handle and Love is Blind. Love is Blind, I don't even want to talk about Love is Blind because Love is Blind just ain't upset my spirit. Obviously, everybody loves Cameron and Lauren, but my top inside of that. Not the perfect couple. But, like, Mark and that girl, what's your name? Oh, but he's 24. What's your name? Ah, I can't remember her name. But that girl was mean. Not even girl, she's a grown ass woman. I did not like her bone in her body. Everything she does, she annoyed me. Everything. Like, she could have breathed. You ever see those memes that say, you know, like a person, but if they even breathe, you know, yeah? Like, yeah, man, everything she do annoyed me. I swear. Because the guy, he deserved so much better than her. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Dethrone. I have a little bit left. So this will be the base for the glitter. So I'm going in with a flat eyeshadow brush. Before I go in with the glitter, I am going to put the neon color in the, like, we call it, like, I lost the word, but you know what I'm talking, like, in my inner corner, oh yes. So I need to put the neon in my inner corner. I'm just going to go in with some concealer. Then I'm going to go in with this, like a greenish, neon yellowish. So I got this from Cherry Bliss here in Jamaica. I'm going to line my eyes with the KVD tattoo liner. Guys, did you see my last video? My last tutorial where I asked my male friends to do my voiceover? Oh my gosh. The eyes kind of looking okay. I'm going to get in with my NYX glitter glue adhesive, well, glitter glue, and this brown glitter. I've never done brown glitter before, so I'm really excited, and I feel like the neon in the center of my eyes, the inner corner, really gives it a nice pop. Guys, so what shows have you been watching? I know I want to watch Sense8, and my brother was telling me about that one. So Sense8 and Elite, and I want to watch Elite because characters from, well, not characters, but actors, yeah, actors from Money Heist is in Elite, so, or Elite, or however you pronounce that word. So that's why I want to watch Elite. What's going on in my brain today? I'm going with the glitter glue, place that on my eyelids where I have the brown shadow. You remember how I was saying I watch a blind spot for the character development? There is one character in it that I do not like his storyline at all. At all. I don't like season 2, his storyline in season 2 was garbage. Like complete trash. So I get in with the glue. And it's not a lot of males in blind spot, so if you've watched it, you know who I'm talking, and if you haven't watched it yet, I don't really want to see, I don't want to give it away, but like nothing him doing make any sense at all. So I'm going in with the Jeffree Star loose powder in the shade Banana. So for lips, I'm going in with a nude lippy, and this is Morphe's cream lipstick in Caught. This is the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter. Would you guys like to see a video of nudes, like how to create the perfect nude lip for dark skin? And then I'm going in with the Praline Butter Gloss from NYX. I'm going to do my hair and change my top and come right back. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave in the comment section below what movies or series you've been watching so I can check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.